Did you know that 60 to 65% of people perceive information visually? This means a well-designed store layout can significantly boost customer experience and sales. Let's explore how visual merchandising impacts brand image and customer loyalty. Analyze your commercial space for architectural features and bottlenecks. Identify your target customers. Are they young families or upscale shoppers? Tailor your layout to meet the needs of your specific customer base. Understanding your customers is crucial. Do they prefer quick visits or leisurely shopping? Knowing this helps in designing a layout that caters to their shopping habits and enhances their experience. Learn how to track customer movement and behavior in Store. Optimize your layout to guide customers through a seamless shopping journey. By observing customer flow, you can strategically place high-demand products. This not only boosts sales, but also enhances the overall shopping experience, making it more intuitive and enjoyable. We'll discover 3 most popular store layouts: grid, herringbone, and loop. Each layout has its pros and cons, and understanding them can help you choose the best strategy for your retail space. Grid layout is the most common and simplest retail store floor plan, which is based on maximizing the facings of goods. Modern grid variants often have reduced row lengths and/or long rows broken into several segments, which improves the overview of the store, but on the other hand, that also adds chaos to customer flow. Herringbone is essentially a type of grid for sales areas with a limited area and is used where it is necessary to place a maximum of items in a minimum of space. Therefore, it is often found in warehouse stores, hardware stores, and small DIY markets. As a type of forced path store layout, the loop or racetrack layout is designed to lead customers along a circular route, serving as the main corridor through the store. Whether it's a racetrack or a grid design, aligning your layout with your brand and customer needs is key to maximizing impact. That's how space management software such as LEAFIO shelf efficiency will help you develop a successful store layout strategy. The solution will even cut short the time needed to launch new stores if you are planning an expansion. The system already contains templates, typical equipment, displays, and fixtures for quickly creating and editing retail store floor plans. Ready to transform your retail space? Start by analyzing your layout and customer flow. Consider AI solutions like LEAFIO to streamline your process. Let's innovate and elevate your retail experience together.